Hello friends, welcome to Learn Positive with Pradeep Kumar. Like my channel and share with your friends, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell icon. Strength of Material, Unit 1, Chapter 1, Statics of Particles, Solution for Problems, Class 19. If you want to see my previous classes, click the bell icon top of the video. You can see the playlist of Strength of Material in both language, Tamil and English. See all the videos and subscribe to my channel. Problem 19. A circular roller of radius 50 mm. There is a circular wheel. It has the radius of 50 mm and it is weighing of 100 Newton. Rest on the horizontal floor and it was attached with a inclined bar AB with a length of 100 mm shown in the figure. A horizontal force is given to the wheel as 200 Newton at the point B. Now, due to the horizontal force, the bar AB has got tensioned. So, we have to find the tension of the bar and the reaction at point C, in the vertical reaction point C. So, see the given data. The weight of the wheel W equal to 100 Newton and radius of the wheel BC equal to 550 mm. Length of the bar linked through the wheel AB equal to 100 mm and horizontal force given FB equal to 200 Newton. We have to find the tension in the bar AB and vertical reaction at the point C. So, I mentioned it as RC, reaction at C. Now, go to the solution. First, we have to find the angle of the inclination. So, I take a triangle A, B and C in sin theta opposite side by hypotenuse. The opposite side is BC and hypotenuse is AB. So, BC by AB. I know the value of both BC and AB. BC is 50 and AB is 100. So, 50 by 100 equal to 0.5. So, sin theta equal to 0.5. Now, I transferring the sine from left to right. It becomes sine inverse. So, theta equal to sine inverse 0.5. The value of theta is 30 degree. We found the inclination of the bar AB. It was 30 degree. Now, I am going to add all the forces in the x-axis, x direction. So, the sum of all forces in x direction is equal to 0. So, summation of fx equal to 0. So, the force minus f cos theta plus 200 equal to 0. Now, we know the value of theta. I substitute that. So, minus f cos 30 plus 200 equal to 0. Now, I am transferring the 200 from left to right. It becomes minus 200. So, minus cos 30 equal to minus 200. Now, I am cancelling the minus on both sides and transfer the cos theta from left to right. It becomes divided. So, f equal to 200 divided by cos 30. The force f equal to 230.94 Newton. Now, we found the tension in the bar AB. The force is 230.94 Newton. And now, I am going to find the reaction at C. So, it was in the vertical direction. So, I take the force in y direction. The sum of all forces in y direction equal to 0. So, summation of Fy equal to 0. The force RC minus W minus F sin theta equal to 0. The RC in upper direction, so it was a plus, and the W is in downward, so it was minus, and F also in downward portion. So, F minus sin theta equal to 0. Now, I am transferring the W and F sin theta to the right side. It becomes positive. So, RC equal to W plus F sin theta. Now, I am substituting the value of W, F and theta. So, 100 plus 230.94 into sin 30. The value of sin 30 into 230.94 is 115.47. Now, adding the 100 with that. So, it becomes 215.47 Newton. The reaction at C, the vertical reaction at C is 215.47 Newton. Now, I am going to the result. So, the tension in bar AB equal to 230.94 Newton and the vertical reaction RC equal to 115.47 Newton. Friends, if you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you have any doubt, please comment on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my video. Thank you, friends.